Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the time for when your PS5 goes into sleep mode. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want your PS5 to go into sleep mode after a certain amount of time. How do you actually go ahead and adjust that time? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, let's first navigate to where it says Settings, scroll down to where it says System, then from here, scroll down to where it says Power Saving. Next, click on Set Time until PS5 enters rest mode, and then these are the two times that you want to go ahead and adjust. So if you want to change this to 2 hours, you can change it to 2 hours. While playing games, if you want to change it to 4 hours, you can change it to 4 hours. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the time for when your PS5 enters rest mode. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.